Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you today. I am Anna, and I am very excited. Learning English is fun and easy with us. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful day. The sun is shining here, and I feel very good.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy too. It is a beautiful day to talk and practice English. I feel very positive today. I feel very calm and happy. Today, we have a very special topic for our listeners. It is a topic that makes everyone smile.
You are right, Tom. Today, we are talking about vacation plans. Everyone loves vacations. I love vacations. You love vacations. Our friends love vacations. It is a time to relax and be happy. Where do you want to go, Tom? Do you have a plan for your next trip?
Oh, Anna, I have many plans. I think about travel every day. I like to see new places. I like to meet new people. Traveling is very good for the soul. I feel excited when I look at a map. Listeners, do you like to travel? I'm sure you do. It's a great way to learn.
Yes, traveling is the best school. But first, we have a small favor. If you like our channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel now. It helps us a lot. Give us a like too. We love your support. Your likes make us very happy. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you, friends. Now let's talk about the beach. I love the beach. I want to go to a place with blue water. I want to go to a place with white sand. The beach is very relaxing. I like the sound of the ocean. The ocean goes splash, splash. It is a very peaceful sound for me.
Oh, the beach is lovely, Tom. I love the sun. I love the hot weather. When I am at the beach, I feel very warm. I like to wear my sunglasses. I like to wear my big hat. Do you like the sun, Tom, or do you prefer the rain? I think the sun makes everything better.
I love the sun, Anna. The sun is like a big hug. I like to swim in the sea. Swimming is a very good exercise. I am not a fast swimmer, but I enjoy the water. The water is cool and fresh. After swimming, I like to sit on the sand. I like to read a book on the sand.
That sounds perfect. I like to walk on the beach too. I like to feel the sand on my feet. The sand is soft and warm. Sometimes I find small shells. The shells are very pretty. I put the shells in my pocket. It is a small gift from the ocean. I feel very connected to nature there.
Nature is amazing, Anna. But some people don't like the beach. Some people prefer the mountains. I also like the mountains. The mountains are very tall. The mountains are very green. In the mountains, the air is very clean. I like to breathe the mountain air. It feels very fresh in my lungs.
The mountains are beautiful, Tom. I like the mountains in the summer. I like to go hiking. Hiking is walking in nature. I wear my boots and I walk up the hill. It is a bit difficult, but I feel strong. When I reach the top, I see the view. The view is big and wonderful.
I agree, Anna. The view from a mountain is special. You can see the trees and the birds. I like to see the birds flying. They look so free. In the mountains, I feel very quiet. There are no cars. There are no loud noises. It is just me and the forest. I feel very relaxed there.
And what about the weather in the mountains? Sometimes it is cold. I like to wear a warm sweater. I like to wear a jacket. A soft jacket makes me feel cozy. When it is cold, I like to drink hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is delicious. Do you like hot chocolate, Tom? It is my favorite drink.
Yes, I love hot chocolate, Anna. It is very sweet and warm. But now I'm thinking about cities. I also like to visit big cities. Big cities have many buildings. Big cities have many lights. I like to walk in the streets of a new city. Every street is a new adventure for me.
Cities are very exciting, Tom. I like to visit museums. Museums have many old things. They have paintings and statues. I like to learn about history. History is very interesting. When I am in a city, I feel very curious. I want to see everything. I want to take many photos.
I like photos too. I use my phone to take photos of buildings. I take photos of my food too. Food in new cities is great. I like to try new flavors. Sometimes the food is spicy, sometimes the food is sweet. I like to go to small cafes. I like to sit and watch the people walk by.
Watching people is fun, Tom. Everyone is busy. Everyone is going somewhere. I like to imagine their lives. In a city, I also like to go shopping. I like to look at the windows of the shops. I don't buy many things, but I like to look. It is very fun to see the fashion.
You are a city girl, Anna. I can see that. But tell me, what is in your suitcase? When you go on vacation, what do you pack? Packing is very important. I always start my packing 1 week before the trip. I am very organized. I don't want to forget my toothbrush.
I am not very organized, Tom. I pack my suitcase the night before. I put in my clothes. I put in my shoes. I always bring too many clothes. My suitcase is very heavy. I have to pull it with a lot of force. But I need my dresses and my jackets. I want to look good in my photos.
I understand, Anna. I only bring a small suitcase. I bring 3 shirts and 2 pants. I bring my camera and my map. I like to travel light. Traveling light is easy. I can walk fast with a small bag. I feel very light and free. My suitcase is never a problem for me.
That is very smart, Tom. Maybe I need to learn from you, but I always worry. I think, what if it rains? What if it is cold? So I bring everything. I even bring an umbrella. An umbrella is very useful. Do you bring an umbrella, Tom? Or do you just get wet in the rain?
I don't bring an umbrella, Anna. If it rains, I go into a cafe. I drink a coffee and I wait. The rain is also beautiful. I like the sound of the rain on the roof. It is a slow and happy sound. Rain makes the world look clean. I feel very calm when it rains on my vacation.
You are very patient, Tom. I like that. Vacations are for being patient. No stress and no work. Just happy moments. I feel so much joy when I plan a trip. Planning is half the fun. I look at pictures on the internet, I look at hotels, I look at restaurants. Everything looks so nice.
Yes, planning is great. I love to read about the place. I want to know the name of the parks. I want to know the name of the plazas. When I arrive, I feel like I know the place. I feel very confident. Confident is a good word for our listeners. It means you feel sure of yourself.
That is a great word, Tom. We want our listeners to feel confident with English. Speaking English is like a vacation. It's a new world, it's a new adventure. Friends, please comment below. Where do you want to go? Do you like the beach? Do you like the mountains? We want to read your plans.
Yes, please write a comment. We read all your comments. They make us very happy. Writing is good practice. Use simple words. Use I like or I want to go. It is very easy. We are here to help you. We are your friends. We love learning with you every day on this channel.
We are very grateful for you. You are amazing students. Remember to take small steps. 1 word today and 2 words tomorrow. That is the way to learn. I am so happy we talked about vacations. Now I want to go to the airport. I want to fly in a big plane. Planes are very fast.
I like planes too, Anna. Looking at the clouds from the window is magical. The clouds look like white cotton. I feel like I'm in a dream. Well, friends, this is the end for today. I hope you enjoyed our talk. I hope you feel happy and motivated. Vacation plans are the best plans.
Thank you for listening, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. Give us a like and share this with your family. We love you all. Have a wonderful day. Have a beautiful day. Think about your vacation and smile. See you in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends. See you very soon. Take care and keep practicing. Bye-bye.